Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. So usually I make a scrapbook homemade kit and then I use that for 2 months, and then at the end of the second month I do kind of a killer kit video, a killer kit slash layout share video. And so it's the time of the month where I am going to be doing that because this was my July slash August kit. However, this is kind of a little bit different for me because I never really touched this kit, and so I am just gonna go and make it cross over till September and see where that will take me, because you know what, your homemade kits is you make your own rules for it. And so I have decided that my rule for this month was just I was just going to use it up some more until I'm tired of it. So this is kind of a maybe an update type of video instead of like this is what I've used up and then I'm just gonna put it away. So you're definitely gonna see this kit, the contents of the kit and what I've made with it again sometime, hopefully at the end of September. So before I move on, just explain why I didn't really use up this kit was because August was super busy for me. In the beginning of August, I just came back from a road trip. I went up to Idaho so I could graduate and get my bachelor's degree. So I did that. And as soon as I came home, like a week later, my sister and her family came to town. And so, of course, we showed the fun places that were in town with them. And then they were here for a whole week. And then school started for my kiddos. And it's just one after the other. So I didn't really get to touch this kit, but just to kind of refresh you of what's in it. And if you ever want to see what I did put in this one, make sure that you check out the link the description below, because it will have the link to the original kind of kit share video that I created. So we still, and now is the end of August and we still have a ton of almost everything. I did manage to grab some of these. I haven't used the wood leaves yet, so I haven't really used this spray mist because that's what I was planning on. I was planning on misting these to color it. I think I used a little bit of the washi and then a little bit of the doily, but I think I used one word in this title, and I did use a bunch of the apples, and then just few more leftovers here. I did use, I think, some of the borders. So like I said, I haven't used this in a while. And then I still have a bunch of the papers and the title stickers and all that. So I'm not going to show that to you, but I am going to show you the 3 layouts. Yes, it's kind of sad this month. The 3 layouts that I have made, and this one I haven't even finished because I haven't typed my journaling yet. I was wanting to do that, haven't got around to doing it. So it's gonna look like this, and I used, first of all, it's a single page layout, and I used the big title, the big sticker for my title, and then just layering a bunch of papers and borders. I did use some washi to ground the page, and these are stickers from Basic Gray that I sprinkled all around. Now this sticker is clear, and so if I would have put that over my brown paper, it wouldn't really show. So I did add a vellum there to kind of bring that out a little bit more, and I used a single 3x4 photo. So that's layout number 1. Layout number 2 has 2 3x4 photos, and so these are 2 different stories, but really in the exception of the first one, I don't really want to put just one 3x4 photo on a page. I feel like there's just so much more real estate that I could maximize. And I am a multi-photo kind of gal anyways. So I just combined them and I made the title Summer Highs. So what I did to make the title stand out against the text background was to put a pattern of two different washies, so that will come out. And I did kind of separate the two different stories with this border sticker. I did add some of the sequins, but these two pictures were of my son. This one was when he was getting ready to go to a pioneer trek, and then this one was when he came home from his summer wrestling camp. So I kind of talked about those two different stories there, but combined them on one layout. And then the last one is a double page layout. This one was inspired by a sketch from Scrapbook Generation. And it's one of my favorite sketches actually from them. So again, this is a 2-page layout, and this is where I used the apples and the doily and a bunch of papers. Now this is my favorite part of this is I have those 2x2 square pattern papers from Pebbles American Crafts, and so I punched them out and then added them with some foam adhesive to add that accent to one side. And so that is my layout right there, and I have 6 photos, all 3x4, and my journaling went out up here, and this is going to be my title, Happiness is Homemade, because these are pictures from kind of a reunion that I had with my family in California. So those are my 3 layouts. I know it's kind of sad, 3 layouts in 2 months. That's pretty sad, but like I said, I am still going to be utilizing this kit for the month of September. So this is just a little bit of an update for my kit, and then hopefully by the end of September I can show you more layouts and be able to actually kill this kit at the end of the month. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please hit that bell button so you can be notified when my videos come up live. And I will catch you guys on another go around. Bye.